Would you like a custom t-shirt from Gameplay Sports, but you have no training in graphic design? Here's a step-by-step guide to designing a logo for a t-shirt on Canva. Sign in, create an account. Go to Canva's website and sign in or create a new account if you don't have one already. Select T-shirt template. Once logged in, you can start by selecting the T-shirt template from Canva's template library. This will give you a blank canvas in the size suitable for a t-shirt design. Add text. Click on the text tool and add any text you want for your t-shirt design. Choose from various font styles, sizes, and colors to customize the text to your liking. Add graphics icons. Use Canva's extensive library of graphics, icons, and illustrations to enhance your design. You can search for specific keywords to find relevant graphics, or upload your own images if you have them. Edit and arrange. Once you've added text and graphics, you can resize, rotate, and rearrange them on the canvas to create the desired layout for your t-shirt design. Experiment with effects. Canva offers various effects and filters that you can apply to your design to make it stand out. Experiment with these to add depth and visual interest to your logo. Preview and adjust. Before finalizing your design, preview how it will look on a t-shirt by using Canva's mockup feature. Download. Once you're happy with your design, download it in a suitable format such as PNG or PDF, and then you can upload it to the Gameplay Sports website. Wear and enjoy. Once your t-shirt is printed, wear it proudly and enjoy your custom-designed apparel. Remember to respect copyright and licensing rules when using graphics and images from Canva's library to avoid any legal issues.